Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
And I have to tell you, the first time my wife called ClearCo, she was telling you the story just before the young man showed up.
Yes.
She probably started some meal, and before she knew, the guy came out, all done, leave it. Oh, no, you didn't. You could not have possibly finished that quick. But it's almost a hazard having you people to the house because the glass virtually disappears.
Yes, those birds get in there really quick, don't they?
I mean to tell you, with dogs in the backyard, we've always got nose smears on the back patio sliding door. With 12 grandchildren, we've always got something. But what is the secret to it? What do y'all use to get that window that clean, that fast, streak-free? It's absolutely mind-boggling.
Well, there's a couple different ways. The traditional standard way we clean, sometimes with squeegee and, mops. And then we also have another system that we use, which is pure water systems that we use to clean windows, which leaves it spot-free.
Is that all the equipment that's in those trucks?
Yes, most definitely. We build all our trucks out with a full systems, a 4-filtered system, which we filter our water. Our water out here in Arizona is pretty hard.
Yes.
It's, anywhere from 300. Sometimes these commercial buildings are up to 800 parts per million, which is a lot of minerals and stuff are deposited in them. So we take it down from a sediment filter, carbon filter, through an RO filter, and then through DI. So it goes through 4 filters.
On site
through our trucks. Yep, through our trucks, and it comes out at about 100, anywhere from, we can range it from 75 to 125 PSI.
Okay.
Through brushes and poles, in which we then can clean windows and get rid of the debris and leave just pure water on your window, which then dries spot-free.
So you need an on-site hookup, like the hose attaches to the van, or how?
Some of our vehicles. Some of them we filter through, and we have 100-gallon tanks on our trucks, which hold the water there just in case we get to a location that doesn't have access to water. So, or power. So a lot of residential companies do, or how homes do, and we're able to, filter through that way. It just depends on the situation. But yeah, we have the option to bring water there, or filter it right through the system there.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.